Suntukan na daw. Nako, si Mayor Baste Duterte, hinamo na si Torre. Ang tanong, papalag ba? O ito, panoorin po natin itong banat po ni Mayor Baste Duterte at paghahamon niya kay Torre. Nako, kaabang-abang to pag pumalag si Torre. Yung sports lang ba? Walang pikunan. O ito, ang video.
Yung city director na nilagay ni Torre, hindi makikinig sa akin, he will not cooperate, then it's up to them. Okay? So, sinabi naman ni Torre na may 3-minute response, sana ma-feel ng mga Dabawenyo. But, tingin ko, gagawin yan, harassment lang talaga. Doon na, Torre, Mr. Torre, sanay na ako sa iyo. Sanay na kami sa iyo. Kinidnap ko nga yung tatay ko eh. Okay na yan. Just do whatever you want. You have 2 years until finding mo candidacy sa 2027. So, at saka may kaso ka na ngayon eh. Think about it. Gusto mo harasin ako, harasin mo lang ako. Kasi matapang ka lang naman, we have the position pero gusuntukan tayo. Aral ko makaya, bita. Ganun lang. But you're a coward. You are nothing without your position. Sa totoo lang. And nagmamatalinuhan ka lang. Yan lang talaga ginagawa mo. May 3-minute response ka. May nakaabang na dyan. Nakita ka talaga ng media. Kawawa ka naman. Sa totoo lang. Okay na yan. Yung 3-minute response mo, prove it. Prove it to the Dabawenyos. So sabihin, kayo PNP. So sabihin nyo, hindi na safe ang Davao. So ano? Ako ba ang polis o kayo? Kung sa index, ang Davao City is third to Chiang Mai in Southeast Asia, why cannot you maintain that? If you cannot maintain that, that means you're not doing your job. That means the PNP is not doing their job. O nangyari yun, who is to blame? Ako o ikaw? Yung back to you mo, hindi ka na nga sumagot oh. Sarap talaga awayin. Totoo lang. May ano ka eh, Galbayo kung isa ka, no? Oh, may ano ka na, may issue ka na doon eh. Iba yung ano mo, iba yung ambition mo sa buhay. You're not, I don't feel that you're here to serve and protect people. You are here to forward your ambitions. Particularly, kung sino ka man sa administration ni Ferdinand Marcos Sr., you are the general fair. If you do not know history, read it. It's there. It's available for all.
Say ba't di pa nga
Yes. Yawa.
Anyway, Mayor, just for the record and for para klaro sa lahat, you did not have a say kung sino ang next chief or director of this people.
No. They won't allow me to choose the city director. Nangyari na yan last year when I was mayor. The last term when I was mayor. In 2 days, they replaced 3 times. The city director 3 times in 2 days. I do not know. Masyado silang paning because they're scared maybe, these policemen who were to be assigned there, baka loyalista sa amin and they would not, do dirty work for them. So I'm expecting harassment from your pangit nyo now. I really do think you're ugly. You know why? It's not because of your face. Filipinos are beautiful, brown skin, and a lot of foreigners, and the Caucasians especially, they like your color, but the kind of person that you are, you're really fucking ugly.
Tasalitas of Nism Order.
Another thing, Mayor Hana, no? Yung sa key areas.
Isang area naman, Mayor, is education sector. So you committed, Mayor, for your inaugural speech that you would prioritize education, free scholarship. And it's also worth noting na Davao City has 93% in literacy rate. So that's very high. And you also mentioned, Mayor, that you will allocate a substantial amount to education.
Yes.
So, ano yung mga specific programs or partnerships that you have planned, Mayor, for your years?
Kuan, yes, yung yung sinabi ko sa inaugural speech, very straightforward, but we will continue to deliver basic services like food security, shelter, basic security. That's up to the PFP actually. What else? Education and I always forget yung isa.
Health, digitalization.
Health, yes. And I want to add something that's it's just theoretical. Digitalization is already part of an LGU's one of the it's basic already in terms of for an LGU to deliver that to the people. So I consider that 6, but I gusto ko na more prioritize na lang yung education because I think Davao City maganda yung takbo talaga, and marami tayong napag-graduate na professionals, doctors, engineers, and or lawyers, and I really want that for the people of Davao. Gusto ko na ingalo lang ba, gusto na may anak buhay yung mga tao. Kung may bata dyan na mahusay talaga yung nag-aaral, kailangan, if they want to get a better, mas paginawa na buhay because of their efforts in their academics, magkakaroon talaga sila ng degree mataas, no? Okay, so
Oh, ano ka ngayon, Tore? Akala nyo matatakot nyo ang mga Duterte? Dahil sa ginawa nyo kay dating Pangulong Duterte ay matatakot na itong si Mayor Baste Duterte? Nako, tingnan nyo, lalong nanggigigil sa'yo, Tore. Kung matapang ka, pagbibigyan mo yung hamon niya. Yung sports lang ba, na walang pikunan. Pakitaan lang kung sino talaga ang malakas sa inyong dalawa. Pero Tore, ayon sa sinabi niya, may kaso ka pala ngayon. O sa ngayon pa lang naman ay mukhang relax lang muna, Tore. Pero paano pag napalitan na po si Junior? Paano pag si BP Sara na yung Pangulo ng Pilipinas? Ako, ayaw marinig ng mga anti-Duterte yan. Pero alam ko matapang yan si Tore. Matapang yan. Matapang ang amoy. Ay hindi, basta matapang yan. Ganito na lang, thank you.